I'm a big believer in having healthy habits. So
Yes.
much of what I think one has to do is develop a healthy uh, regimen, nutrition, adequate rest, effective rest, and then the right kind of exercise. Like today, just to talk a little bit about myself for 1 second.
Of course.
I in the morning, first thing, got up, had a very nutritious breakfast of English muffin with butter, real butter, and blueberries. That's it, with some coffee. And then I did a workout. I did a core workout with barbells, with a kettlebell, dumbbells, and 20 pull-ups. And I try to do that every day, making sure that I have adequate upper body mobility. And again, I'm 63. So I think what you're talking about here, obviously, is tools, giving people tools and options that they can adapt to their life. Is that correct?
1,000,000%. And you
Yeah.
see, as I said in one of the
And
things
Chris,
that,
bring up her blog there too. So bring up the she has it right there. So bring it up for us, please.
yes, it's on drjody.com. You
Yeah,
can go ahead
there it
and
is.
under those, I got real busy. You see, I retired. Chris and Tony, I just thought I'd tell you a little story. I
Yeah.
retired in January 2020, sold my practice, had zero, okay? Had zero clients, signed a non-complete, then COVID hit. And it was that husband again with me, just saying, you need to get back in there. I didn't have a website. People just found me, 35,000 client patients during my time. I just over 1,000,000 pounds of toxic fat lost, and we kept it off because of the nutrition that you'll find in the back with a 5% recidivism rate. And I'm happy to know, especially during this time of year, I hear from a lot of now they are my other grandchildren, because I was coveted to say there are 1,876 babies that came through my office that with couples that couldn't conceive. And it all starts with inflammation. It all starts with parasite eradication, but it's the right rhythm, because we have circadian rhythms. I talk about that in my 21 days, but men have a cycle, women have a cycle. It's 28 days. It goes to talking about rest. It's 7 days, 24 hours. We're doing this broadcast as we're going from yang into yin, as you're retiring for the evening, keeping that rhythm of life, and is so important. When you said about the 5 things, the 5 elements: nutrition, exercise, all right, physiotherapy, people miss that one, okay? And that is acupuncture, whether it's moving like Tai Chi or whatever. Then you come into, like I said, nutrition. And the last one is definitely one I'm going to keep as a little, because nutrition and rest are together. But people miss this one. And I like to put this on my ring finger, which is meditation. I am an alpha type. I meditate twice a day. And if you go to the 10 rituals under the, and I believe it's under mindset, but just look for it, see what's in there. But it's 10 rituals to rock your day. If I had charged $1 for this, I would be a millionaire at this point, but I don't care, because it has helped that many people. I get up in the morning, I do my lemon water. There's a certain mixture. Splash my face with cold water because it wakes you up. Then I go out for my autonomic nervous system walk.
Thank you for watching that clip. If you like that, there's more. Go sign up at ColonelTonySchafer.com. We have exclusive content that you can only get if you sign up and become a Sentinel member, Sentinel Circle member. So be sure and join us. We have deep dives. We have great guests, people who will probably surprise you, who's going to show up and talk about everything from 9/11 to the current state of politics and pop culture. So don't walk, run to sign up to ColonelTonySchafer.com, and you will see and experience our exclusive content. See you there.